No matter how you slice it, there are only 24 hours in a day. Time is a finite resource, and it's up to you to make the most of it.
If you lose money, you might get a chance to make it back. But a wasted hour is irreplaceable.
While we can't add hours to our day, we can understand the importance of time management, and how time management helps us maximize the time we have.
Time management refers to managing time effectively, so that the right time is allocated to the right activity. Effective time management allows individuals to assign specific time slots to activities as per their importance.
Good time management allows you to accomplish bigger results in a shorter period of time, which leads to more time freedom, helps you focus better, allows you to be more productive, lowers your stress, and gives you more time to spend with the people that matter most. Good time management can help you prioritize your to-do list and set aside the time needed for your most important tasks, so you know exactly what you need to do and how much time you have available to complete everything. Prioritizing your tasks and giving yourself enough time to accomplish them can help reduce your stress levels.
The first work-related activity of your day should be to determine what you want to achieve that day, and what you absolutely must accomplish. Come clear on this purpose before you check your WhatsApp and start responding to messages or queries. Resolve issues. Setting a clear focus for your day might require as little as 5 minutes, but can save you several hours of wasted time and effort.
Capture the tasks and activities you must do on a list and update it regularly during the day. Revisit this list frequently and add new items as soon as they appear. Make sure your list gives you a quick overview of everything that's urgent and important, and remember to include strategic and relationship building activities as well as operational tasks.